welcome back to another Novatech unboxing. We've escalated the game a bit this time. We've got a whole PC. Obviously last time we did a case, we did the Co-Link Phalanx case. There's a link to that in the comments down below. If you haven't already seen it, check it out. It's a very nice case. But today we've got a brand new PC we've only just launched. It's the Novatech Reign Sentry MKI gaming PC. We have a whole new range of gaming PCs. We have the Sentry, the Viper and the Paladin. We have Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3 of all of them. There's a whole range. Go check them out if you've got time. We'll have a look at the Reign Sentry MKI in this video. We'll get out of the box. We've got some gameplay done, all the latest AAA games like Shadow of the Tomb Raider, all the top games like that, all the ones you want to play. We'll show you the FPS scores, all the benchmarks we got from that. We'll open the box, have a look inside, have a look at the components. So let's get to it. Built it inside the NZXT H500 case. All of our Reign PCs are built in the NZXT cases. We've kept it consistent throughout, so everyone knows what you get with the Reign PCs. This case, the H500, nice tempered glass side panel, as always important. This is how the PC would come when someone orders it. So you've got all the packaging on the side there, the notices. So now we've got the side panel off, you can see inside, taking all the packaging out. So you can see inside really, you want to see all the components. Powered by an Intel Core i5-9600K processor. It's got a stock speed of 3.7 gigahertz, an all-core boost of 4.3, and a single core boost of 4.6. So you get good performance out of that. It's a good processor for gaming. Some people will think you always have to have i7 to game. You don't need it. i5-9600K is perfectly good to run pretty much any game at a certain level, obviously. If you want to run it on Ultra, you need something a bit heavier. But you can see from our gameplay, it runs all the good games at very good levels. So the proof's in the pudding, some people say. My pudding's a pavlova. GPU-wise, we have the Gigabyte RTX 2060 card in here. Very powerful graphics card. Obviously RTX means you've got the ray tracing. Gigabyte, one of our top brands again. Very sturdy, very reliable GPU. Gives you all the performance you need. And the Gigabyte card is overclocked as well. So that comes all standard, you don't have to do anything. As well as the GPU, we have a Gigabyte motherboard in there, the Z390 Gaming X motherboard. Again, a very reliable brand in Gigabyte, very reliable motherboard. We have 16 gigabytes of Corsair 3200 megahertz DDR4 RAM in there as well. You don't need more RAM. Some people always think you need 32 gigs of RAM. You don't need 32 gigs of RAM unless you're doing something insanely stupid. For a gaming PC of this caliber, 16 gigs is perfect. One of the key selling points of this PC is the all solid state storage. There's no spinning hard drives in here at all. We have two SSDs in there, both Samsung, one NVMe M.2 drive, and also the 860 QVO SSD in there as well. So it's lightning fast, basically. We don't rely on any spinning drives at all. Also, we have the Cooler Master CPU cooler, the Hyper 212, one of our top selling CPU coolers that is. What you buy is what you want in the PC. So we build the PCs to what you are buying. Power supply, we have a Corsair 650 watt power supply in there. More than enough for what we're running. Microsoft Windows OS pre-installed, obviously, so you don't have to worry about installing that yourself. It's all set up for you in there. We have a 3-year parts and labour warranty on these. So you know for 3 years, you're covered. It's 6 months collect, and then the rest of it is return to base. So obviously, any problems after 6 months, you return it to us, and we'll have a look and find out what the problem is. I mentioned earlier at the beginning of the video, we had a review done recently by Custom PC. Here is the Novatech Reign Sentry MKI review. This PC retails at £1,349, including VAT, which obviously it's a good price. It's a very solid machine. It's kind of the entry range of our PCs, but it's not entry gaming. Our entry range is the solid mid-tier gaming, and this is what you get with this PC. And Custom PC gave it 81% with a value score of 21 out of 25. Obviously, check out our page for it because you can see more games, what FPS you get on there, what you're getting from what you're buying. And that's what we tried to prove in here. There's no nonsense. Good gaming guaranteed.